Hey everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to yet another video on how to earn $100 plus a day on Temu. So make sure you stay till the end of this video and I'm going to share you an awesome tips to get $100 a day on Temu. So let's first go to Temu app and go to U tab, and from here select earn credits and free gifts. And after that, click on redeem cash. On Temu, you can get unlimited cash by just spinning the wheel. And in order to spin the wheel, you need some coins. So you can get coins by referring to your friend. You can simply click on refer one friend and you will be redirected to this tab. From here, you can simply copy the code and send your referral code to your friends so that they will accept your invitation and will join on Temu, and you will be able to get coins and redeem it to get cash. Or you can simply copy the link and you can refer the link to your friends on your social media. If you got a huge number of followers, it's a bonus for you. You can simply refer it to your followers. You can simply copy the code and you can simply put it on your story so that your followers will look up to it and they will accept that invitation, and you will be able to earn more coins and you will be able to spin the wheel. Now the next option is to go to Lucky Flip. And from here, you can invite new app users to flip. The process is the same. You can simply copy the referral invitation, or you can copy the code and paste it on your story, or you can send it to your friend individually. And after you invite the new users and after they register into the Temu app by using your referral link or invitational link, you would be able to get diamonds and you can redeem it to get more cash on Temu. So these are some of the methods that you can use to earn $100 plus a day in Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.